Are you tired of spending hours editing videos? Imagine creating engaging videos in just minutes. Let me introduce you to Pictory AI, your new best friend. This tool transforms scripts into polished videos automatically, perfect for content creators, marketers, and educators. Here's how easy it is. First, paste your text or article URL into Pictory. I'm using a simple script I've already written. Next, Pictory's AI structures it into timed scenes. It scans, pulls in visuals, and you have a rough cut in under 30 seconds. Now, let's personalize your video. You can customize images and layouts for each scene, toggle background music, or upload your assets. This drag-and-drop editor makes professional filming effortless. But why choose Pictory AI? It's the only tool that combines simplicity and quality seamlessly. And right now, I have a special deal just for you. Use my code for 20% off your subscription today. Don't wait. Transform your video making experience now.